Hey there! So, you want to start a YouTube channel? Awesome! Congrats! Probably you want to spread a message or knowledge, or you might want to teach people how to do something. Some people like gaming, others are more into beauty or fitness. There's lots of people showing their life, travels, experiences, and building a community. No matter your passion is, creating on YouTube allows you to connect with viewers around the world. And for sure, it is the best place on the internet to start and grow an online business. In this video, we'll be shown what you need to know to start and grow a channel as a creator on YouTube. It's a step-by-step guide for 2025 with all of the latest optimization tips and techniques to make sure that your channel is optimized to get as many views as possibly can. Let's begin. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you may skip this part and follow to step 2. If not, just scroll down and hit Create Account. Now, if you're thinking of your YouTube channel as more of a business venture, go ahead and select for work or my business. If it's a personal account, that's fine. Just pop in your first and last name. Click Next, and you're on your way. Next, Google will ask for some basic info, like your birthday and a couple of other details. They might also want to verify your phone number, so have it nearby. Then, you'll get to choose your Gmail address. You might pick any suggestion, or you might prefer to create your own. Pick something memorable. Once you've done all that, you'll have your very own Gmail account, and that is what you'll use to create your awesome YouTube channel. You got this. Let's move on to step 2. Create your channel. Now sign into YouTube using your Google account name and password. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right, and then go down here to Settings. Then click Create a new channel. In case you already have a channel, the option will be different, like Add or Manage your channels, but this is where you still must click. By the way, you can have many different channels on one Google account if you want. You might want to have different channels for different content. It's up to you. So, what will your YouTube channel be about? That will help to choose a name for your channel. Picking a name is quite important. It must be easy to remember and captures what you want to be known for. Choosing the right name, it's the first important step to optimize your channel. Watch this video until the end and you'll get the best tips to optimize your YouTube channel. About the name to choose, if you're out of imagination, there's another precious tip. Just use the power of any AI app like ChatGPT or Gemini, which are completely free, or you might want to try the newest AI tools, DeepSeek or Qwen. They're revolutionizing the AI market. In the future, we will delve into each of them. If your YouTube channel is about making money, just type in "give me 30 YouTube channel name ideas for a channel about making money." After that names list, you might or should run these through a website like the WPO Global Brand Name Database or any other depending on your demands to make sure that it's not already an established company. To make sure, double check on YouTube that there's no huge channels using one of these names. Definitely, you can get hundreds of name ideas from here, and it's almost guaranteed you'll find a good one doing this. After picking your favorite name, type in that field, check this box right here, and then click Create. Another bonus tip for creating your YouTube channel: make sure to use a password manager for saving the password of your Google account. It will help you so much, and there are a few free options like Bitwarden, 1Password, or Dashlane. And now it's time for step 3, which is about customizing your channel. Now that you have created your channel, you can always get back to it by just clicking your profile picture and then clicking View Your Channel. You'll be directed right here. Let's make the channel more presentable. To add a profile picture, it's quite easy. Just hover your cursor over your profile photo, click on it, and then it will let you upload a profile picture. It must be within the allowed resolution, which is 800 by 800 pixels. YouTube will automatically resize your profile image to be displayed at 98 by 98 pixels, and the file types accepted are JPG, GIF, BMP, or PNG. About the profile picture, it should look very professional. So if you don't have any idea where to start, you might take a look in some options, like Snapa, Canva, Adobe Express, or Fotor. All of them allow you to create or edit your picture online for free. In the future, we'll delve into those options and a few more to help you explore some tools that will boost your workflow and productivity. If you already have your own picture, just make sure it fits the required resolution and use it. But in case you're creating a faceless channel like this one, you might choose a picture that must be in line with your channel content. Next, you need to add a banner image, which is the image that shows in the background of your YouTube channel. Again, there are a few options like Snapa, Fotor, or Vista Create, where you can find a few ideas of built-in YouTube banner template with the required dimensions, which are 2560 by 1440 pixels. Or, if you have some editing skills, FreePic have a vast list of free template options that can be edited in Photoshop or Illustrator. In any of those online options, you can edit and download the project with the required dimensions ready to use in your channel. There will be a video specifically dedicated to all online tools to create a YouTube channel. Be patient and keep an eye on our channel. Let's move on. After uploading your pictures, there's not much to do. Down here about watermark option, that doesn't matter that much. You can just put some text that says subscribe or a logo. Some people do that, but you can just leave it blank. After uploaded your profile picture and banner, you need to click Publish in order to save all changes. And then you will be notified to view your channel. Just click View Channel, and you can take a look at the changes that you made and see how it looks like. Now is time to unlock all features of your channel. Some features like adding custom thumbnails to your videos to engage people to click on them require some additional verification. Let's see how to do it. At your YouTube channel page, click your profile picture in the top right corner and then select YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio will be your center for changing settings, checking analytics, and it's where you put your YouTube channel to action. Before you move on, it's advised to watch those videos on the top right corner. YouTube team made great efforts to let people know how YouTube algorithms work. Along this video, you'll get the most accurate tips to make your channel grow and the best strategies to monetize it. Although, those two videos are a great start to understand how YouTube works and how to start doing things the right way. From your YouTube analytics, you can go to the left-hand side and go all the way down to the bottom to settings. From there, just go to this side menu and click Channel and then click Feature Eligibility. Here you can unlock custom thumbnails. This step is an absolute must. And it's the second most important factor to monetize your channel efficiently. Thumbnails are the first factor that will make people choose your video among thousands of YouTube videos. So, it's highly recommend doing this before you upload any video on your YouTube channel. All you have to do is just verify your phone number. Just click Verify Phone Number, type your number right there. A text message is sent you. Verify it, click that, and then you'll be able to put in your phone number and then click Get Code. From here, they're going to text you a 6-digit code real quick. Then, just enter this code right here and then click Submit and it's done. Now your phone number is verified with YouTube and now all of these features are enabled. The box below has a few additional features which require a further level of verification, but the benefits they provide make the process worthwhile. One key advantage is the ability to upload a greater number of videos daily. This can be particularly useful for creators who produce a high volume of content, or increase monetization, which allows you to enable advertisements on your videos and generate revenue. You can even include external links in your video descriptions. This is crucial for driving traffic to websites, online stores, or affiliate products. For all this, YouTube requires verification with two methods available. You can submit identification with a short video, which usually takes a few days. Alternatively, maintaining an active channel with regular uploads for about a month will automatically enable these features. Usually people often opt for the channel history approach. But if you need external links immediately, the ID verification is the quicker option. These features are valuable tools for channel growth and audience engagement. Step number 5 will be about optimizing your channel. You're halfway there. These additional settings will help your channel to get more views and rank in the algorithm faster. If you've already watched those videos when you created your channel, you now know the importance of the next steps. So, navigate to YouTube Studio, then click Settings and then Channel. First, select your country of residence. Next, add relevant channel keywords. At this moment, you already know what your channel will be about. So, just pick some keywords accordingly. For a channel focused on making money online, for example, include Make Money Online, Earn Money, Passive Income, Side Hustle, and, importantly, your channel name. This channel is called Earnovate. That will be the name to include, of course. Again, if you don't have enough imagination and need the absolute best keywords, tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen, or vidIQ can assist you in keyword generation. Just type something like, I'm creating a YouTube channel that will be about ways of making money, and I need you to generate the top 10 list of the best keywords for this channel. You can even try all those AI tools, and then refine your results. Precious tip here. You may ask those AI tools to generate the best keywords that will stand out in any SEO strategy. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. which is the process of improving a website's visibility and ranking on search engine results pages. Just add this element to your sentence, asking for keywords, and for sure, you'll have the best results. Then, under Advanced Settings, indicate whether your channel is made for kids. If your content is not primarily intended for children under 13, then select No. Save your changes, and that's how it would look like. You can always come back here and make any changes. Now it's time to enhance your channel's appeal by customizing its layout. You aim to get as many views as possible. Let's get started. Click Customization. You can see all changes made so far. So click on the Home tab and then click on Add section. Choose Popular Videos to display your best performing content. It suits very well within the algorithm and will push people to watch your videos. You can also add playlists and featured channels. For example, you can add Check out these channels if you'd like to referral some YouTube channels. A channel trailer and a featured video for returning subscribers can be added later once you have content available. For both cases, always choose high-performing videos. At this point, you are just starting, so you don't have any videos on your channel yet. Just click Publish. Let's move on to Profile. If you're still in the same page, just click Profile. If not, click in Customization, then Profile. It's where you can change your channel name and other data. You can change your channel's name twice in 14 days. You can also customize your YouTube handle, which is your channel's unique URL. Next important thing to do is crafting a compelling channel description. Well, once again, if you need help to write the text, you already know where to go. Those AI tools are there to help you. In this case, it was asked for a 250-word description for a channel called Earnovate, where people can find some practical solutions about making money online. Down here, you might include links to your other social media platforms, affiliate products, or your own products. Another important factor is you should provide a contact information, for example, email address, in case some sponsors would like to reach you or for some business inquiries. It's true that anyone wants to make money online, and YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms to achieve it. Along this video, you got some precious tips in order to maximize your earnings with YouTube. Stick around, because there's more to come and you will need all those tips if you want to be successful with your channel. First, you need to click Earn. Then, scroll down until that point where you can see what is needed to be entitled to start earning money. But it's paramount that you click Email Me, because when you achieve the requirements, you'll be notified and will be able to start getting paid. Here, you must turn on the two-step verification, which will make your channel more secure. Both factors are extremely necessary for you to join the partner program and start making money. An additional feature is to create a direct subscribe link to boost your subscriber growth. Just go to your URL bar and add !sub_confirmation equals 1 to the end of your channel URL. If you press enter, this will happen. This will prompt viewers to confirm their subscription and will help you to get a few extra subscribers. Definitely. Well, worth doing it. If you're following along and experimenting every steps, just click Cancel. Now, copy that entire link. Click in your profile picture and click YouTube Studio. You'll be redirected to your studio. Here, click Customization and you'll be inside Profile. Scroll down and click Add Links. Input a subscribe title. Then, paste that link in the URL field. Click Publish. And now if you click View Your Channel, you will see that subscribe link showing up right here. This provides an additional avenue for viewers to subscribe. You can also add links to your other social media platforms here. And that's a wrap. By following all these steps, you'll create a professional and optimized YouTube channel ready to attract viewers, grow your audience, and eventually start making money. Meanwhile, remember to regularly analyze your channel's performance and adapt your strategy accordingly. To delve into the secrets of making money with and on YouTube, just check that video or click in the link in description. You'll get the best tips and secrets to start monetizing your channel, including the best niches to do that, and how to generate tons of content efficiently, and how to get a ton of views and subscribers. Don't leave that process to luck. Check that out and work on your success. This is Earnovate, and if you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share the word. See you in the next video.